Okay, on number 8, you're supposed to use your compass and straight edge to construct the line through B perpendicular to AC. And whenever you do a construction on a test, make sure that you do not erase any of the arcs that you used, because I have to be able to see those arcs to know if you actually did the construction. If you just did it by eyeballing it, you don't get any points. You have to use the actual construction method that the book teaches you. So if you look on page 213, you're going to see how to construct a perpendicular bisector, or how to construct a line perpendicular to a given line through a given point, not on the line. That's right down here. So that's on page 213. Another very important construction that you need to make sure you know how to do is how to construct a line parallel to a given line through a given point, and that is here on page 225. So make sure you know how to do that too. All right, but right now we're going to do a perpendicular line. So we're trying to make a line perpendicular to AC through the point B. All right, and so we're using that theorem that a perpendicular bisector of segment is equidistant from 2 points, to the 2 endpoints of the segment. All right, so all you have to do is open your compass up to however you want to. Put it on the point B, which is not on the line, and then make an arc. Ugh. That's a little too open. You want to make sure that the arc cuts through 2 places on the line, so make sure it's not too far open. So that's not open enough. All right, so gonna make my arc cut through that. All right, so these are the 2 points where my arc hit that line. All right, so now I have made this B is equidistant from these 2 points. So what I'm going to do now is just make the perpendicular bisector of that segment. So I can just put a line below and a line above, and then a line, from the other point, below and above. So I just barely made it on my paper there. And so that just goes right through B, and that is going to be the perpendicular to AC through B. All right, so if you need to practice that and you need to see how that's done, look at page 213, and for drawing a line parallel to a given line through a point not on the line, look at page 225. That is super, super important.